One question is here. A point charge q at a distance of d by 2 directly above the center of a square of side D as shown in the figure. See, this is not the figure of question. This is the question for figure. One square is given having side D. A charge q is placed here such that it is just above the center of the square and it is at a distance d by 2 from the center. See, this is our figure. A plate is there, a square plate, and it is of length d, and a charge small q is placed just above the center and it is d by 2 distance above the surface. So use Gauss law to obtain the expression for the electric flux through the square. Alright, so first part question is here. Second, if the point charge q, second I will see it later. First we have to solve the first part. Use Gauss law to obtain the expression for the electric flux through the square. See, it is very easy. One plate is here having a length d. This breadth is also d. So consider this square plate as a box. Make a box like this. This plate is here. Consider a box having length d, and this portion is also d. This portion is also d. This will be a cube. All right. This will be a. This one is also d. This side is also d. So when we construct like this, we will get a box in which the q is placed at the center and it is d by 2 distance from the. This distance will be d by 2 already given, and this we have placed. So we can write like this. Solution: construct you can say a box containing the charge q like this. So this one is d, 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 and all these are. So we have read in our Gauss law the total charge enclosed by the surface. If I say this total, the total charge enclosed by the surface is small q, and according to Gauss law, according to Gauss law, if I say this one is a cuboid, one area is equals to one surface area. It has 6 surfaces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. All these are together forming a cube. So according to Gauss law, total flux passing through the cube is equals to total charge q upon total charge enclosed कितना है q, और upon epsilon naught. We have read it in our Gauss law. So total flux passing through the cube, we have to consider all the surfaces, all these 6 surfaces. So if I say one surface, we can write total flux passing through the surface is equals to 6 into flux passing through वन सरफेस. क्योंकि सभी सरफेस आइडेंटिकल हैं तो टोटल सरफेस चार्ज से हर सरफेस से पास होगा फ्लक्स. लेकिन कितने सरफेस हैं? 6 सरफेस हैं. तो 6 इंटू वन सरफेस, टोटल सरफेस इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू वन सरफेस, फ्लक्स पासिंग थ्रू वन सरफेस. It is equals to again q by epsilon naught, the total charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught. So flux passing through one surface, flux passing through one surface is equals to 1 by 6 times of, divide 6 here, q by epsilon naught, and this flux passing through one surface will be passing through this sheet which is previously given. So the flux passing through this sheet, flux passing through square will be is equals to 1 by 6 q by epsilon naught. Very easy. Now next question, next part of this question. If the point charge is now moved to a distance small d from the center of the square and the side of the square is doubled, मतलब ये जो d/2 दूरी पे q था अब इसको d दूरी पे कर दिया, यहाँ तक कर दिया, और ये जो साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर थी d जो था इसको मैंने 2d कर दिया, डबल कर दिया. साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज डबल्ड. एक्सप्लेन हाउ द इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स विल बी अफेक्टेड. तब इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स कैसे इस शीट से पास होगा, मतलब इसने शीट को मैंने दुगना कर दिया d/2 लेंथ ब्रेथ का, और चार्ज जो d/2 डिस्टेंस पे था उसको d डिस्टेंस पे कर दिया, यानी सेम कह लो कि इसी बॉक्स को डबल कर दिया. तब भी कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा. देखते हैं कैसे. व्हेन फ्लक्स, when the length of the box is, when the side of the square is doubled and q placed at d distance from the center, so box will be like this. If I am considering it this here, and this charge to surface distance is small d and the outer distance is 2d. बस यही किया है उसने, सारी डिस्टेंस को 2d कर दिया. again applying the Gauss law, applying Gauss law, total flux passing through this area, total flux does not depends upon the side, so it is total charge enclosed is again q ही तो अंदर है, चार्ज को तो बदला नहीं, so q by epsilon naught. so total flux कितना होगा, 6 times of one side flux, 6 times of flux passing through one surface, it is equals to q by epsilon naught. So again flux passing through one surface will be flux passing through one surface, again 1 by 6 times of q by epsilon naught, and this is the result. See, if I am not changing the charge q enclosed, we are not getting the definite result. Just because q is same, I am getting the same result as previous. I am getting the same result. मतलब यहाँ साइड ये d थी और यहाँ डिस्टेंस d/2 था चार्ज का इस सरफेस से. मैंने इसको जब सेकंड केस में डबल कर दिया तो मैंने q को चेंज नहीं किया था. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव गॉट द सेम रिजल्ट. सो दिस इज दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.